One of the key features of this house from the very beginning was the stair system. Initially, we were going to make it out of steel and have it locally fabricated, and we had created a kind of a design for it. But then we learned Viewrail had virtually everything we were looking to do already done. We made a switch and we said, you know what, Viewrail could do this really well for us, and we have a perfect showcase in this home to be able to display it, and I'm really excited on how nice it came out.
One of the other really awesome features in the house is the floating stair system from Viewrail. They also did the railing on the balcony as well.
Viewrail was definitely late addition into the game. We had to get pretty creative to get them in, but we wanted them so bad just because when you see these stairs, I mean, they're floating.
We had to re-engineer around what we already had focused for the stairwell. But it was really cool to see them come in and measure everything out and figure out exactly what stair system was going to work in that space. And then watching them put in all of the pre-engineering metal structure before, putting in the final finishes and everything.
They were strategic on hitting our deadlines, coordinating. I mean, we were bringing a different level team than we typically go through with our subcontractors.
Amazing team. Amazing experience to work with Viewrail. Their product is like no other.
We got to see the evolution of the stairs, and now it's just a beautiful staircase, and it really is a showstopper.
When you walk up and down the stairs, you feel no fluctuation. It's just stunning. It's something you have to see in person.
Everyone walks in here and goes, "Oh my God, that is amazing. What is that?" So Viewrail they're top notch.
And having them on the ride for the New American Home 2025, we were successful together.